Hello, so we're back on the Asteroids, and what we're going to do is a bit of a tidy up of the code. So we're just going to put the main bit of code into a separate class, and it will just tidy things up a little bit. So let's have a look at the code again. So you've got the imports at the top and then a couple of globals, constants. Then you've got the asteroids class, so class for each asteroid. And then you've got the ship class. Then you've got where the code actually starts, so that's the Pygame init, and this is all setting up the game. And then here you've got the game loop. Now what we're going to do, instead of having it on its own outside of everything, we're going to create it as a class. So we're just going to call it game, and it doesn't need to import from anything. It's not a sprite. It does, however, have an init, so the code when it first starts. Now the reason we're doing this is so that we can encapsulate all of this stuff inside a class to make it easier to deal with and to pass around and to handle. So firstly, in the init we want anything which is part of the setup, setting up the game, which is all of these lines essentially. All of those, where we're adding the sprites. Okay, so that is all of the setup. Now we need to consider what here creates variables which will be needed for the lifespan of this game class. And firstly we have display, so that needs to be self.display. All sprites, that will need to be accessed from wherever. Ship can be discarded after this function is complete. However, all sprites is something we'll need to come back to, and so we can reference it there as well. Okay, that should be about it. That creates the game ready for setup. Now we can create another function called run, and this is just running through the game. Now all of this is everything which is happening when we're running the game, not on the initial setup. So just drawing everything and updating the screen. Now we need to, which ones did we set to self.dot, so it belongs to the object, and that one may be a good idea to do, so we can change that from outside of this class. Display, that was one at which we changed to self.dot, all sprites. There we go. And we got display there. So that should run this. Oh, it doesn't run as normal because we haven't actually called the class yet. So asteroids equals game, so we created the game, then we can just say s.run, and that just runs the run function. So run that, and that set up. There you got the asteroid, there you got the ship, and I've got the code in there to go off the sides, and the asteroid's just floating around and is coming off the sides as well. We haven't got any collisions yet, we haven't got any shooting yet, but that's something we can work on next lesson. So let's have another look at the code, what we've actually done. So all we've done is we've taken all of this code and we've put it inside a class. That means this asteroid variable, that contains everything. We can use that to say s.play playing equals false, and that will mean that it stops playing. We can call the allSprites to add things or remove things with the .allSprites, and we can access these things from wherever in the program. That is created in the same way we have a ship class and an asteroid class. There we go. That's all we're doing for this video. Quite a short one. In the next one we'll add bullets.